Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off your likes and comments on your Facebook profile picture using your mobile. So if you don't want people to comment or like your profile picture, then you want to open the Facebook application in your mobile and then go over to your Facebook profile page, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner and then tap on your name here. Now you are on your profile. All you have to do is to click on the profile picture and then tap on this see profile picture. The next thing is tap on these three dots in the top right corner and now you can see there are a lot of options. Tap on this edit privacy. This will open another page where we can control who can see our profile picture on Facebook, and this is the way that we can turn off the likes and comments. Mine is set to friends, but you can select this only me here as well, and now no one will be able to see our profile picture anymore and they won't be able to like or comment on the photo. This is the only way that you can turn off the comments and likes. So just set the privacy settings to only me and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.